Problem number, I think 6. This problem is from T4 exam. So in this problem includes the velocity of an electron. The velocity of an electron in the ground state of hydrogen atom. In ground state of hydrogen atom is VH. Ground state of hydrogen atom is VH. If Vp is the velocity of electron, if Vp is the velocity of electron in the ground state of positronium, then the relation between VH and Vp. First option is given. Vp is equals to VH. Second is Vp is twice of VH. And third is Vp is equals to VH over 2. And fourth is Vp is equals to 2VH. This question is from T4 13. So this is the problem. So you can easily solve without using pen and paper. You can solve this problem. What is given? Velocity of electron in ground state of hydrogen is given, and velocity of positronium in ground state is also given. You have to correlate these. So you know that the effect of mass on the velocity was not taken. Velocity was independent of mass. So from here we can say that velocity in case of positronium or velocity in case of hydrogen going to be same, because velocity was independent of mass. We have seen in our previous lectures. So what will be the right answer? This is the right answer. Vp is equals to Vh. The velocity for positronium and for hydrogen both will be the same. So this is a very simple question of T4. Next question is we will solve next gate problems. So this is a single problem. As this topic is quite easy, so rarely questions are asked from this topic. Problem number 7. Problem 7. What is this problem contains? If R1 is the value of Rydberg constant. This is value of Rydberg constant. You know that. You already know it. Rydberg constant. Assuming the mass of nucleus to be infinitely large. It means this is infinite mass consideration. This is the value of R infinity compared to that of an electron, and R2 is the value of Rydberg constant. Taking the nucleus mass to be R2 is the value of Rydberg constant when taking the nucleus mass to be 7500 times the mass of electron means the mass of nucleus is given. Mass of nucleus is 7500 times the mass of electrons. Then the ratio R2 over R1. So what is asked? R2 over R1. What is the value of R2 over R1? So options are given. This is a problem from gate problem. What will